hindi namin pinag-uusapan nun. Ano mo, I think the mayor will agree with me na servisyo muna bago politika. The most political thing that we did today, I wore my pink socks. My pink socks in honor of Mayor Lenny.
Uy.
Morning, Mr. President.
Clothe him with courage, surround him with peace, lead him with wisdom, your grace never cease. We lift his name before your throne, your strength will stand, your truth be shown. Lord, protect our president.
Ang Naga City. Sa pagdating ng Pangulo kanina, siya ay sinalubong ng alkalde ng Naga, ang dating Vice President, Mayor Lenny Robredo. Kasama rin ang Pangulo sina Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development Secretary, Engineer Jose Ramon Ping Aluling, Special Assistant to the President, Antonio Ernesto Lagdameo, at ni Department of Public Works and Highways Secretary Vivencio Vince Dizon. Para nga po silipin ang ginagawang Oplan Kontrabaha Operations sa Bicol River Basin. At para bigyan tayo ng mas malalimang kaalaman kung ano nga ba itong Oplan Kontrabaha, makakapanayam natin si Engineer Vincent John Nicer, ang Oplan Kontrabaha Task Force Secretariat. Marahay na aga po sa iyo, sir.
Ang umaga, ma'am. Thank you po for that introduction.
Sir, ano po ba itong Oplan Kontrabaha at ano po ba yung mga interventions na ginagawa?
If you look at the structure of the Bicol River Basin, lahat po ng mga tubig na nanggagaling sa mga bundok at sa mga high elevation areas, bumabagsak po yan sa iba-ibang lakes at eventually through the Bicol River discharging to the San Miguel Bay. Ngayon po, somewhere along the way, makikita po natin na yung Bicol River ay lumiko papunta sa Naga City. So kung yung pong mga ulan galing sa itaas ay liliko papuntang Naga at sasamahan pa ng ulan na galing naman sa Mount Isarog, magmi-meet po yan sa Naga City. So Naga City was identified to be one of the flood-prone areas. And also we have to remember na medyo limited po ang resources natin. So we have to strategically deploy them across the entire river basin.
Baha is with the help of the DPWH, dinadala po ninyo yung mga specialized equipment.
Yes.
And not just that, and yung tao po to operate those equipment.
Yes. Miss Kat, most of the Oplan Kontrabaha workshop, most of the Oplan Kontrabaha activities na ginagawa natin, spearheaded by DPWH using heavy equipment owned by the DPWH. But I would like to mention that in Metro Manila, specifically San Miguel Corporation has provided assistance to sa mga heavy equipment. They spent a lot to assist us. Kasi of course we recognize that in the private sector, yung kanilang operational framework is really efficient. It's really fast to procure and to deploy resources. Kaya they actually helped a lot with clearing sa Metro Manila.
Sir, aside dito sa Sagop Creek, meron pa pong pupuntahan ng ating Pangulo, yung Magaya-Gaya Creek?
Yeah, Magaya-Gaya Creek is also, I think, somewhere din dito sa Naga. The former Vice President and now Naga City Mayor Lenny Robredo wanted to show the President yung case ng informal settlers because, if we are in the office in the palace, for example, iba yung nare-receive nating reports versus we actually see the problems on the ground. So I think ang major problem sa Magaya-Gaya is yung the presence of a lot of informal settlers, no? itong ganitong klaseng issue would require interagency coordination because we want to have a sustainable approach in addressing them.
That's why we have the SUD.
Yes,
with
yes,
the
yes.
illegal
So,
settlers. diba?
to provide housing, assistance in relocation, and other necessary support para ma-clear yun. And of course, when the president sees the situation on the ground, he would also be able to immediately and
To address.
direct the concerned signature. Caller. Hey, hey.
Ngayon nga po nakikita natin na magkakaroon na po ng media statement ang ating
Magandang
Pangulo.
umaga
So,
sa
sa
inyo
punto
lahat.
po ito, ating
This is,
pakinggan po ang magiging mensahe niya.
These are the beginnings of the perennial na flood problem here in Naga and in the rest actually of along the Bicol River. Alam naman natin, ito a basin. At maraming mga construction, hindi lamang yung private sector construction, kundi ang pagpagawa nito ng mga iba't ibang yung linipat ang dinaanan ng tubig kaya naging mas grabe. Isa pang bagay, yung nagsiltation talaga ng husto. Kaya kung titignan ninyo, napakababaw na nitong ilog na ito. And with ang sinasabi nga ni Mayor Lenny is that many of the places na dati naman ay hindi binabaha, and dyan na rin yung effect ng climate change. Kaya this is what we are trying to remedy. Malaking trabaho ito. It will take time, but marami na tayo mga intervention na pwedeng gawin, such as the pools that we are going to put up. But tawag nila yung retention fund para mabawasan para mabawasan natin yung pagbaba ng tubig. Dahil nga it is may Bicol River Basin, ang plano na talaga pwede natin gawin, na kailangan natin gawin, ay kailangan natin mahuli, dapat ma-collection na yung tubig bago pa bumaba sa basin. Dahil, again, as Mayor Lenny was explaining, this is a landlocked province. And because it's a landlocked province, ang tagal lumabas ng tubig. So wag na natin sana papasukin. But this is only the beginning. Ito, desiltation lamang ito. At hindi naman ito kagaya ng mga ginagawa natin sa ibang lugar. This is not going to be one time. We will keep doing this until we have the more long-term solutions. At hopefully, down the road, if we design everything properly, hindi na natin kailangan paulit-ulit na binabalik-balikan. Okay? All right.
Mr. President, flood control issue. Nakikita po ang visit ninyo sa Naga City in the lens of politics. Are you open to forging alliance with Naga City?
Alam mo, hindi namin pinag-uusapan yun. Alam mo, I think the mayor will agree with me na serbisyo muna bago politika. The most political thing that we did today, I wore my pink socks. My pink socks in honor of Mayor Lenny.
President, sabi po kasi na pagdedeklara
No, we have been planning this for a few months already. Because talagang naging critical ito especially with the storms that came in. Then I already instructed Sec Vince and Sec Ping to look at the situation here. Because we know that Bicol is always the pathway of the storms, but the immediate problem that we saw, the change in pattern that we saw, is yung bigat ng bagsak ng ulan. Dati hindi naman ganun karami. You got 700 in one day, 700 centimeters of rain in one day. Ano yung katumbas ng 6 na buwan yun?
Pas po siya sa Ondoy and Yolanda.
Yeah, that's very significant, and that's why it became critical. So we did not discuss. Serbisyo muna bago politika. Marami pang kailangan gawin. Marami pa kaming kailangan gawin. So we will get to that. Aabot din tayo doon.
Ano po yung reaction natakbo siya sa pagkapangulo sa 2020?
Again, politics.
Ano pong masasabi nito sa
Nothing really. That's her choice.
Mr. President, how about the willingness of Senator Amy to run alongside?
Again, this is all politics. We're not going to discuss politics now. We are talking, what we are here for is to try and find solutions to this very important problem, very critical problem that we have not only here in Naga City but also in Kamsur, and for that matter, for the whole of Bicol. That's what we are concentrating on. We don't change. Whatever kung sinong, it's not only here kung sino ang nangangailangan ng tulong, the national government is here to help. So as you know, I came from local government, kaya I have great sympathy for the situations of local government, the different constituencies, the cities, the provinces, the towns, the municipalities. Kaya whoever comes to us for help, we will do what we can to help. There is not an increase, there is not a decrease, it's not political, it's only because it depends on the need. And that's why we are here today. All right? Sige. Oh, well, I'm sure we will inspect it when it's further, when the project is further along. We'll bring you back here, especially Maharlika Highway, because yun ang. In fact, many of the problems were identified because of our inspection of the Maharlika Highway rehabilitation and repair. Doon nakita, marami talagang nakita. Dinapitan tayo ng national government, ng mga local, at sinabi, pagka natignan na ninyo yung Maharlika, doon na tayo, tignan naman ninyo yung baha. And that's what happened. Okay, maraming salamat. Thank you. Good morning.